Are you looking for the best cabinet table saw in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best cabinet table saw that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the SawStop 10-inch professional cabinet saw. Coming in the first position is this SawStop PCS31230TGP252, a powerful cabinet table saw designed to make your cutting tasks easy and professional. Rocking a 3 HP motor and a 52 inches T-glide fence, this table saw is a great option for making both straight and angled cuts. The most notable thing about the cabinet table saw is its safety. SawStop wanted to craft a highly secure rig that carpenters could rely on for top results without ripping their arms. Some of the security features of the saw include a fail-safe system for preventing accidents that can result in loss of time, wages, or limbs. Another safety feature is the professional-grade T-glide fence that allows you to work without worrying about slipping or rolling. You will also like this cabinet table saw because its quality is unmatched. Its trunnion and arbor are made for precision and strength so that you can rely on it for most cutting tasks. Besides, it uses a gas piston elevation system for smooth and easy adjustability. Up next in the 4th place is the ShopFox W1819 cabinet table saw. This ShopFox W1819 is another excellent choice for hobbyists and carpenters who have a more expansive budget. It is a 10-inch table saw designed for making smooth and clean cuts without kickbacks. Like our first choice, this cabinet table saw is also very secure. When we tested the table saw's features, it delivered beyond our expectations. The cabinet table saw is designed with a strong riving knife and splitter that helps to keep the cut sections and workpiece separate. The effect is smooth cuts with no risk of kickbacks. Furthermore, the system features a 4 inches dust collection slot that evacuates most of the dust so that it does not contaminate the workpiece or clog the moving parts. And now to our favorite feature of the cabinet table saw, the miter fence. The table saw's miter fence is designed with a flip stop for high precision or angle cuts of up to 45 degrees. And if you are making repetitive or complicated cuts, you can camlock the fence for greater stability. The 3rd product on our list is the Delta 36L552 cabinet table saw. For carpenters who work on projects such as kitchen cabinets and handmade boats that require high-precision cuts, this Delta 36L552 is one of the best saws that can get the job done. Designed with a single cast trunnion system, the cabinet table saw operates with minimal vibrations, allowing you to easily make smooth cuts on your workpiece. The table saw comes with a carefully machined bevel dial so that you can easily make accurate repeat cuts. Additionally, the base of the table saw is made of cast iron, which makes it heavy and stable even when cutting tough and thick workpieces. We also like the cabinet table saw dual front cranks feature, which allows you to promptly adjust the height of the blade without incurring significant downtime. Finally, it comes with a large and easy-to-access on/off switch so that you can easily access it from any angle. Second on our list is the Jet 708675PK XactaSaw cabinet table saw. When you mention the name Jet to carpenters, most of them will give it thumbs up because of an unmatched commitment to quality and customer value. This unwavering commitment to quality is evident in this Jet 708675PK XactaSaw cabinet table saw, which has become very popular in most workshops. The table saw's working area and trunnion are made using cast iron that makes it heavy, stable, and vibration-free when cutting wood. Besides, it has a large 29x 42-inch working space that allows plenty of room for maneuvering big workpieces. When working with table saws, Jet engineers knew that you need to be able to make adjustments fast. Therefore, they designed the table saw with easy-to-use handwheel control for adjusting the blade height and the bevel. Once you select the preferred cutting height, use the center locking pins to fix it there for repetitive cuts. Finally, the top product on our list is the Powermatic 1792010 Kelvin PM2000 cabinet table saw. Next in our list is this Powermatic 1792010 Kelvin PM2000 cabinet table saw that is designed for industrial-grade cutting work. Weighing close to 700 pounds and rocking a 5 HP motor, this cabinet table is an unbeatable beast that will rip anything that comes close to its blade with ease. So, if you have a lot of thick hardwood or tough boards to cut in your commercial facility, this is one of the best machines for you. 700 pounds is really heavy for a table saw, right? but from a positive side, it helps to make the cabinet table saw strong and firm. Also, it absorbs most vibrations for a smooth cutting experience. For a heavy-duty cutting rig like this cabinet table saw, you should expect to generate a lot of dust. If not managed well, the dust can clog the moving parts of the table saw and accelerate wear. To address this, the cabinet table saw comes with an inbuilt dust collection port that directs all the debris away.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.